Hmm.
The ore of iron is hematite. First of all, it is concentrated by hydraulic washing. It is converted into small pieces of 2 cm. It is washed with water to remove earthy impurities. After that, the calcination takes place. It is already oxide ore, but calcination takes place just to remove excess of water. After that, there is a smelting or reduction of iron oxide takes place. This is done in a furnace which is known by the name of blast furnace. In this furnace, 8 part of ore, 4 part of coke and 1 part of calcium carbonate is added by a arrangement which is known by the name of cup and cone arrangement. At the bottom of it, the hot air is passed. There is arrangement for taking out waste gases at the top. There is a separate compartment for taking out slag, and there is a separate compartment for taking molten iron. First of all, at the temperature of 2170 Kelvin, the coke combines with hot air to form carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide further combines with coke to form carbon monoxide at the temperature of 1570 Kelvin. This carbon monoxide acts as a reducing agent. It reacts with Fe2O3 and it gives Fe3O4 with the release of carbon dioxide, which is released from this part. Then this Fe3O4 further reacts with carbon monoxide. It gives FeO and CO2. Fe2O3 combined with CO, it gives us FeO and CO2. And this FeO is reduced with CO to give iron. Some amount of iron oxide is left. It directly reacts with coke at the temperature above 1173 and there is a formation of iron takes place. This contains silica in the form of impurity. The limestone is added. At the temperature of 1273, it is converted, it is heated and to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This calcium oxide acts as a basic flux because it removes acidic impurity. This reacts with silica to give calcium silicate. In this way, the molten iron is obtained from the separate compartment and the slag is obtained from the separate compartment. The iron can be extracted. You read all the reactions, go through all the reactions. You get one question from the extraction. So do it very thoroughly.